What's up, everybody? This is chapter 6, part 2 of .com secrets, and this chapter is the attractive character. So, yesterday we covered a lot of concepts from this chapter, and yeah, we left some. So, today we are at identification of attractive character. So let's get this started. So Russell Brunson says that there are four identification of attractive character. Number one starts with the leader. The leader is someone who has experienced almost everything and now is showing paths to other people. So suppose if someone is already very successful, I'll say the example of Tony Robbins. That's just my opinion. Tony Robbins has an expert. He's an expert in more than 40 industries, a billionaire, and a worth millions of followings and everything. So he is the leader. He has the path, and now he is showing and guiding people the path and showing them the way. That is the leader. Then the adventurer and the crusader. So who is the adventurer? Well, this is very I will say the adventure. This is very exciting profile. The adventurer is someone who is not experienced enough, who is not perfect, who doesn't consider himself perfect. He finds way along with people, right? He tests things, he will do things, he'll show you, let's take 15 days challenge together and see what happens after 15 days. So adventurer is someone, he doesn't consider himself an experienced one, and but yeah, he is very open to finding ways. Then we have reporter. So who is reporter? A reporter is someone who is like who doesn't even have any experience, who is not very professional, or who is not very confident. But a reporter is someone, like suppose if you are starting out from fresh, then you can just interview those people who are already like successful in their fields. That's what you can do. So like suppose if I am I'll be reporting like the best people, the entrepreneurs, then automatically I'll be having good connections with them, and people would see me again and again with the entrepreneurs, and then they would associate me with the entrepreneurs. So that's what happens when you are uh, a reporter, right?
Reporter.
So reporter
Yeah.
is very crazy profile. If you are beginning from zero, if you don't have any past experience, if you don't have any following, if you don't even know from where you are starting, if you have nothing, then you should be just a reporter. Like, so you don't have to be, you just have to be question, you just need to have a couple of questions that you would be asking from the interview, and that's it. So you don't have to be an expert, you don't have to learn things, you don't have to expert things themselves. All you have to do is research a little bit about the person. That's what you have to do. And then we have the reluctant hero. So Russell Brunson mentions like this is his favorite profile, and he thinks he is into the category of reluctant hero. A reluctant hero is someone who is introvert, who is not confident enough.
Shy.
Huh?
Yeah.
Shy, who is
Shy.
not confident enough, but he who has a motive to change the world, to help people, to create an impact in the life. So that's what a reluctant hero is,
Reluctant
right?
hero is.
So that is the definition what Russell Brunson mentions about a reluctant hero. So he considers himself a reluctant hero. So once you are experienced, you know everything, but you are not confident, then you can be a reluctant hero. You can explore things, you can do things, you can help people, and that's what you do. So these are the four identifications of attractive character, and depends on your stages. So the reporting is for someone, the reporter is for someone who is beginning everything from fresh, who doesn't have experience. The leader is for someone who is experienced enough. The adventurer is for someone who prefer adventures, I will say. Like you are experiencing things with people, you are taking challenges, things work, things might not work, anything can happen after 15-20 days. So that is the job of a reporter and a reluctant hero. So depending on your experience, your level of which stage you are, you can choose your identification and communicate your message accordingly with the audience. So that's what we can do when we are the reporter, right? So attractive character storylines. So these are a couple of storylines Russell Brunson has shared as an examples about how you should communicate with the people and communicate with audiences. So loss and redemption. So loss and redemption is like, then this happened, I have to figure out me. So you are in the bottom of your life, or your career, or suppose if you're getting problem in sleeping. So suppose I'm selling a product related to sleep, how you can get better sleep, right? And I'm sharing my story. So I used to work for 12 hours a day, then I wasn't getting sleep. That destroyed my complete day, and I wasn't enjoying my life. My life was very, very difficult. Then someone recommended me this book, or this thing, or this food, or this diet, or this exercise, or this meditation, or this chapter, or this video, and that changed my life. So that's how you connect with your attractive character, right? And then we have us versus them. What you have to do is you have to compare people. People love comparison. Human being is made for comparison. Us versus them. That can be anything. Talkers versus doers, webinars versus challenges, or Windows versus Mac, iPhone versus Android. So it's about us versus them. Like, that separates a complete community. Mac users and Window users, complete different community. So that's what you have to do. And then scroll up, please.
Yeah.
So, and then before and after. So this is very famous in weight loss industry, and I think also in fairness industry.
Rich and
Yeah, money making as well. First I was poor, then now I am rich. First I was I couldn't even afford a bicycle. Now I have the best cars with me. So that's up to you.
Yeah.
Amazing discovery. So when you are learning things, man, so amazing discovery. When you are learning things, you'll be discovering things every single day. So like, you can communicate your message accordingly. Secret selling. So this is Russell Brunson's famous strategy. Like, all of his books are based on secrets, .com secrets, traffic secrets, expert secrets, copywriting secrets, marketing secrets. So everything is on secrets. So people are like, that creates FOMO in people, fear of missing out. So people would be curious to get the secrets. And then we have third person testimonial. So sharing other people's successes with your products and programs provides powerful social proof. So that also happens. Like, third person is testimonial is the most important uh sort of social proof. That's what you can do. So this complete chapter was all about attractive character, how you can build an attractive character, why you should build a attractive character, why is attractive character important, and how you can create little bit storylines with attractive character. So you can explore more about this topic. So in the next chapter, we will be learning about communication with the people and ascending our customers in value ladder. So we'll be learning all about how we can communicate with them better and with effective communication email skills. So in the next chapter is all about soap opera sequence, and that's also going to be game changer in your marketing strategy if you are using email marketing. So that was all about chapter 6 of .com secrets. See you tomorrow again with chapter 7 of .com secrets, that is soap opera sequence. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach back. Thank you. Have a good day.